Colin, not ice cream time. Not ice cream time, Colin. I'm not playing.
Go ahead, Colin.
Because Colin's not answering me.
Quinny. Let me have that, Quinn. I'll take that. Thank you, Colin. Don't throw that at him. Come on.
But Colin wasn't answering me.
What do you want?
It's my turn to do something, but you're not answering.
What do you want to do?
I was doing peekaboo, but he wasn't laughing. It's so funny.
Yeah, but not everything you do people are going to laugh at. You're not always going to be hilarious.
I'm going to do something that's hilarious.
Alright, let's see.
Ooh.
Quinn Marie!
See what it's going to be.
Okay. Think of something really funny. Oh, ice cream?